Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are here and I'm excited about it. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made this delicious and mouth-watering fried rice. If that sounds interesting, kindly watch till the end. Thank you. So guys, this is the outcome of our delicious fried rice. You can see how lovely, colorful and beautiful this is looking. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't, comment, share and turn on the notification bell to always get notified each time I post a new video. Until the next tutorial, I'm saying bye for now. Thanks for watching.